what gave me the confidence and the inspiration to move forward with Cleveland CycleWerks? Well, I mean, isn't this the ultimate American dream? Having an idea and pushing it forward. And you can say being a young entrepreneur and a young business person, being naive is a big part of it. But also, when you start producing product that you want to produce and other people respond to it, you can say, hey, this is the same thing I've been thinking. This is the product that I want. And then we produce another one, and even more people say, hey, this is exactly what I need in my life right now. You know, that's what continues to propel us forward. And, you know, there's this link that I feel between the American dream and what I'm seeing in India right now, this Indian middle class dream where the entire country is rising up, building each other up. And I see so many people in India pursuing their own dreams. It seems like a perfect time to capitalize on, you know, not only the desires and the dreams of people in India, but also the desires and the dreams of a kind of a worldwide population that's looking for an affordable, beautiful, high style and high excitement product.